remember the first time you had an orgasm? Afterwards, you just probably had to be stuck, like, mouth hanging open, like, huh? Like, what the fuck was my life about before? How did I let all those niggas just fuck on me? What? What was... Nobody was ever going to tell me about this? Why didn't anybody else care? I was just a sex doll before. What did I think I was doing? What did I think I was doing? To think I thought it was good before. It was nothing. Voided. If you ever want to find an orgasm, you got to go to the projects. Because all the niggas in the projects is handing out orgasm. Mattress on the floor, no sheet, twin bed, flat pillow, no job, mad kids, crackhead mom, ugly sister. That's where you find an orgasm. In that scenario, after the first orgasm, you chasing that shit everywhere. Trying to set that shit back up the same way it happened the first time. After that first time, you start giving instructions. Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Right there, right there, right there. Stay right there. Hold on, let me grind. Let me grind.